Here's my lovely banana tree, and as you can tell, it has grown significantly tall. Hello, magandang hapon, good afternoon. Today is the 3rd of March 2019, and you might think it's a bad idea to grow bananas in the States. They grow in warm weather states where the winters are milder and we have long summers. And this banana is going bananas. It's going crazy because we have some bad weather this year and the last year. The last winter has been short and severe. As you can see, snow is building up. These are the struggles of a gardener. You see the water? It's still wet. Eventually this is gonna, as you can see, there's snow piling. And well, good shed are still alive. Okay. Today it's mild but prolonged. You might also think that this banana is not doing good because it's actually thriving. It has survived the severe weather. It is my last surviving banana plant. You give it little soil and it'll thrive. And as you can see here, this banana plant is in a, let me just show you, trash all over. Paper, eggshells, corn cobs, leaves from plants, grass, more cobs. The amount of soil that I put in here was this much. And it broke down and the soil is beginning to pile up. Put more grass in here, it doesn't attract flies. There's my lovely banana plant. Banana tree, and as you can tell, it has grown significantly tall. Last night we have a big rain. It was Halloween, and the soil underneath the plant has become soft, so it drifted away and it's going to the sides. I'm gonna put some string around the stem and hook it up to the fence. You'll see that there's a bubble wrap around the stem that is to protect it from the winter, which is 2 months away. Down here you will see that there's a black wrapping, black absorbs heat, and that should radiate to the stem and protect it from freezing. Also, I will put some grass around. There's a this leaf is beginning to emerge from the sucker. I'm gonna transplant this sucker into a container like this one, and then move it to the greenhouse that is to protect it from freezing. I'm gonna put the string around the stem and hook it up to the you can see that the lower portion of the banana tree has been covered in grass. The sucker is also covered. Note that I put some food scraps underneath the grass, and that should help fertilize the soil. The food scraps don't get exposed and be eaten by animals. Here's the banana 3 weeks after frost, 2 nights of frost. The sucker is still alive, is alive. I could officially say that it has survived the winter. There's little projection. This wasn't here yesterday, and here it is. See how the leaf unfolded? Amazing. Leaf unfolded, and a third one is emerging from the stalk. And down here, the sucker is coming back to life. In the aftermath of the storm, you can see that the banana lost 2 of his leaves right here. But this sucker was undeterred by the storm. A new leaf is emerging here, but this one generates a lot of interest. Here now is the banana. It's been more than a year and a half, roughly about 20 months since I started the banana video, and here now is that banana. But that's half of the story, because what you see here is another sucker which is about 3 feet in height, and if you recall, this is the sucker that I was taking care of in the past. And here's another one, another sucker right next to it, growing a new leaf. So the ultimate question now is, when did this banana bear fruit? Finally, what an epic journey for this banana tree. Just magnificent. So there you have it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget the thumbs up if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Yesterday, you remember that there was water right here. Remember, I was walking like this and there was water. That's my tomato forest. Let me just show you. They are thriving, flourishing everywhere. Lovely. More here. More tomatoes. Tomatoes everywhere. Tomatoes everywhere. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and hit the notification bell, and see you in the next one.